Hello, welcome to my video. This is a introductory video on psychological disorders or personality disorders. You all know what is psychological disorder or personality disorder. It is nothing but a deviation from the culture and social interactions. Please subscribe my channel Arimbo Training to get notification of my 10 videos on this topic. During my TA workshops, many participants used to say that I wish I had attended this session before getting married and having children, but I can still improve my relations in the family and at workplace. I started learning TA at the age of 55 and I could correct my thought, feeling, behavior, and that enabled me to get a 5 years extension. So learning transactional analysis concept is very important. Doesn't matter what age you are. You may be a teenager, you may be a parent, you may be a grandparent, but you all can make use of TA concept to improve your life, quality of life. So join my online course during 23rd to 26th September. For details, please call me on mobile 9822876170. Let's begin with today's topic, personality disorders. Friends, we all wonder what is this personality disorders. Do you feel unhappy and emotional? If so, it's a reflection of your unhappy childhood. You may blame somebody for making you unhappy, but it is not the fault of that person. It is the fault of your unhappy childhood. Do you feel disliked, prejudice of a person when you see or think of it? It's a reflection of your copied parental behavior. Do you feel stressed when you are asked to speak in public or take a new leadership position? It's a weak adult. So these are all some of the indications of your personality disorders. Friends, please note that first 2 weeks in mother's womb is important. After first week of fetal development, basic growth begins. What are the basic growth? Brain, spinal cord, heart, etc. You all must be knowing Enneagram. Enneagram describes about 9 personalities. With 2 weeks in your mother's womb, you develop 9 types of personality. They are reformer, helper, achiever, individualist, investigator, loyalist, enthusiastic, challenger, and peacemaker. Each type of personality have different traits, and for different job you require different traits. So these 2 months, 2 weeks stay in mother's womb is very important. So mothers to take care of these 2 weeks of their pregnancy. As fetus grows, it gets messages from mother. Infants are sensitive to emotions. Friends, if you are feeling emotional, it's a reflection of your stay in mother's womb. So mothers, fathers, and everyone at home make sure that a pregnant woman is kept happy. They listen to the music. They are given all encouragement to make the child happy in a mother's womb. You all must have watched my videos on psychological development. 0 to 19 years, there are 5 stages of psychological development. Let's see one by one. The first one is trust and faith. If this first stage is successful, all remaining stages will be successful. Well, friends, how do you know whether you have trust and faith in God and others? The people who have got trust and faith in others are highly disciplined. They obey all the rules. They are the socially acceptable people. Second one is autonomy. A person who had a successful stage of development will be autonomous and will encourage others also to be autonomous. Third is initiative. A person who had successful stage of development will take initiative in new projects. They will also encourage others to take initiative. Fourth is industry. Industries mean hard work and perseverance. So if this stage was successful, they will put a lot of hard work and perseverance. They will also encourage others to put a lot of hard work and perseverance. And the fifth one is identity. Well, friend, identity is very important. You know my video. You have to ask whom I am. I am the grandson of my grandparents. I am the son of my parents. I am the brother of my siblings. I am husband of my wife. I am father of my children. I am grandfather of my grandchildren. So you must know your identity and must relate to all the people in the family, at workplace and the society. Excess control of parents can make your childhood unhappy. When we talk about unhappy childhood, what is the meaning of unhappy childhood? If your parents are scary and angry, all the time they make you, obey their commands. They give you compulsive disorders and they make your unhappy childhood. And these unhappy childhood makes you to think differently. You start thinking in a different way. If they are not observed and corrected, they become the personality disorders and that stay along with you your lifetime. Now, there are symptoms of these personality disorders. They have been grouped into three groups. The first one is eccentric behaviors. When you talk about eccentric behaviors, your inability to relate to others, you feel socially awkward. Second one is dramatic and emotional behaviors. Many people, most of the time, they have drama or emotional behaviors and it's very difficult to make them happy. And the third is anxious and fearful behaviors. People with these symptoms, they always seek the support and help of others. So these are all the symptoms, these are all the clues. So I think you have got a clear idea. Well, friends, when you learn TA concept, there are 4 analysis you do. The first one is know your personality, your ego state. What is your dominant ego state? Do you behave like a controlling parent, criticize, punish others, or are you a child, rebellious child, all sort of child behaviors? Are you a weak adult, unable to adjust with situations, difficulties? Second is how you communicate. Communication is very important. That helps you to relate. Now, do you encourage others to talk? Are you a good listener or you cross the communications? Third is when you study TA, you know your life script, the content and process. This content make you adapt personality. There are 5 types of personalities. One is obsessive compulsive, second is paranoid, third is schizoid, fourth is histrionic, fifth is antisocial. The fourth analysis is psychological games that you play to manipulate others to achieve what you wanted. Well, friends, I hope I have made the topic very interesting to you. Please subscribe to get notification of my further videos on personality disorders. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share with others who may benefit out of this. Thank you.